Hello guys, you're welcome to this special tutorial on how to create a landing page. Before we go on, let me tell you this. If you watch this video from the beginning to the end, I'll be giving you something interesting that you can never get anywhere, and I'm going to be giving you for free. Yes, I'll be giving you some things for free, and I'll be giving you some things for a big discounts that you can never get anywhere. So I don't want you to skip this video at all. I want you to watch this video step by step from the beginning to the end. It's not going to take you time. You can spend less than 200 MB, less than 100 MB to watch this video. Please make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, and don't miss any of my follow-up email or your email every day. So thank you. Let's go straight to the business. To sell your product or services without even know how to code, without know how to design a website, or without going into details on how to write a code. And I am a student. I've used this particular system to generate a lot of sales on using Facebook and Instagram ads and even Google ads. It's a very simple, straightforward page that will tell people exactly what you are selling and how to order your products. Examples of this page are, let's check this one. I just want to show you the examples of what I'm talking about, and if it's working. You can see this particular page. You can't find anything at the menu. You can't find anything at the menu. It's just about the products you are selling. Portable, we sell original. You can see the details, you can see the pictures, you can see the features. You can see the features where it can be used. You can see other details about the product, how it works. You can see the specifications, you can see the price, how much you have sold in the past 3 days, in the last 3 days. The remaining one, this is just a tip to make people order. The delivery details and the price of the product, more details about the product and more details about ordering. You can see they fill this form, they will order your product. You can see the price based on the quantity. Because these are the pages I'm talking about. Let's check another one. This is what we'll be creating today. You can see this one is Earth products. You can see new infection floods and naturally. You can see the details, the features, the testimonials, and other things, the price and how to order. The same thing, you fill this form. You can see see this thing below. This website has no relation with Facebook, Google, YouTube, or any other advertisement platform. You may have seen our ads. So this is very important if you are advertising on other websites like Facebook, Google, or IG, or anyone. So it's like a disclaimer. So it will help them to approve your ad very fast. So this is what we'll be creating today, and this has generated a lot of sales for me and my students and my friends too. So this is just what you'll be selling. And the second thing is what you need to create a landing page. To create something like this, you need a domain name and you need a hosting. What do I mean by domain name? Domain name is your name.com. Let's say your name is Taye Lulu. Your name is Taye. You can say Taye.com. That is what domain name is. Domain name is like your name, the name you will drop on any of the website platform that will lead them to your website. So domain name is very, very important if you are selling anything online, if you want to get a page online. So the hosting is like a server, it's like a house that powers your domain name and the information you have online. It will communicate between your prospective prospective visitors to land on your website. It will load the information to them for them to know what you're selling and what you have to offer. So these are the things you need, and we have different different hosting. What is actually important is the hosting, because you can get domain name anywhere, but hosting has a lot of features. There is a lot of features to look out for if you are trying to get a hosting, which is very important. So we have Nigerian hosting, we have foreign hosting. I can never recommend to use Nigerian hosting because they have really messed up with my business for a many times. So I've never recommended it again. I mean, I've recommended it before, but I will never recommend it again. So we have foreign hosting which you can get for less than 30,000 naira per year, and we have some which you can get for 60k, 100k. Depends on the type of your website, the kind of visitor you'll be getting on our website, etc. Like this website, I hosted it on foreign hosting, and it's really giving me what I want. And foreign hosting also help your website to load fast. So you can it will be so difficult for someone to click on your ad on Facebook or any other platform, and it's taking them times, taking them minutes to load to get to your website. So they will quickly quit it, they will quickly close the tab and find somewhere else to get whatever they want to get from your website. So the best thing is for your website to load maximum of 5 seconds. So it will help them to get whatever they want to get from you immediately. So now, having both a domain name and hosting and link them together, the next thing to do is to create your landing page, which we'll be doing here today. So this is one of my websites. Okay, this is WordPress website, and this is the simplest way to do it by using WordPress, because it will allow you to use any plugin that you can use to create the landing page you want, like those landing page I showed you the other time. So go ahead and buy a domain name, buy hosting. If you need my help in doing that for you, I just contact me. You see my name, you see my number. Let me give you my number. You see my number 08136486710. That's my WhatsApp number. You just send me a WhatsApp message and I'll be happy to help you to recommend for you the best domain name and hosting company that you can use. And I can even share from my own large space, which the money will not be too much. Another thing is, which is very important, when you are buying domain name and hosting, security is very, very important. You can see this website is carried S. It's carried S. So if the security is not there, the X will not be there. So it will be so very difficult to advertise in any other platform. And if the S is not there, it will be giving your visitor signal that this website is not secure, and it will chase them away, which is very, very important. So this is my WordPress hosting. By watching this, I believe you should have know what hosting, I mean what WordPress is, what hosting is, what domain name is. So if you don't know, just get in touch with me, as I said. So this is your WordPress dashboard, and you want to create a page, a landing page. You go here, you can see name at the top, or you go to page and click on add name. So I usually go here and click on name, open in the name tab, so that if I want to do something here again. So what do you want to sell? Okay, for example, let's say you don't have a product. You just pick a product from one website and you want to resell this product, or you have a product. Let's say I want to choose this skincare product, and I just click on the product to check the details of this product, and I see is maybe I've contacted the seller. If I'll be getting more from the sellers, and he or she can even give me price that is far lesser than this, and I'll just copy the name of the product. What is the name? Kevin Skin Care Lotion. Let me just copy the name. Yeah, I had the name here, and I say publish it. So there are many page builders you can use to design a page, to design those pages I showed you the other time. So you have an Insta Builder, we have Elementor Pro, we have a Drip Architecture. For this one, I'm using Elementor. We have Elementor Pro and we have Elementor free version. The free version, you can use it to do whatever you want to do. If you want more features, You can get the pro version. So the free version, if you want to get the free version, you just go to plugin. You see plugin here. You can see plugin, add new plugin. Click on add new plugin. You search for Elementor. Elementor. You can see Elementor page builder. You click, you can see 5 million plus active. So I've installed this one. It needs update. So if you have not installed, you see install like this. You say install like this. You can install it. Once you install it, you click on activate to be activated. So because I've installed it, that's why you can see it edit with Elementor. So now you click on edit with Elementor. Now the first thing you need to do is, of course, we don't want the page. We don't want the website to have anything like this. We don't want the banners, the top banners, the menu, the top menu, and all that thing. So the first thing you need to do is you come to settings. You come to settings. You can see settings here. You click on settings. So you now choose how you want it to be. You can see page layout. You can see it's by default. If it's by default, it will show all the menu here on your website. So you change it to Elementor Canvas. Click on it. It will load. Yeah, you can see it's load. So that is done. Now, the first thing you need to do is, let me go back to this website and see how we create it. Portable. To see what is there. You can see the first thing here is the title, the name of the product, and which will be picking here too. You can see the name of the product you want to sell. I just say your whole. Okay, you click on. You can see this one. You can click here to choose a template. There are many templates you can use, but I prefer to do my own from scratch. So you click on Add section. You can see you click on here because you want to add only the titles of the products. You click here. So you can see you click here and you come here. You can see heading. You click, you drag this heading to this point. Another things you can do is you can click here just to reduce the size. On how it should be, you can see this one is very easy to read. So there's space here, there's space here. I prefer my own to be like that. So you post the name, the title here. You post the title here. I think first thing I need to do, let me post that one direct. Post it on browser first. And come back here and post it here. You see, so you center it and you can increase the size. Typography, you can increase the size of the. You can change the color. Or in case of my own, okay, I think I prefer using green color for any earth product. I change the color, and that is done. So color has been changed. So the next thing you need to do is, what else do you need to do here? Yes, you can say this is headline. You can say you can add the subheading. So go back to the products. If it's your own personal product, you know what you need to include. Do you want to be brighter your skin? Do you want to brighten your skin? Do you want to have a beautiful and flawless skin? Okay, let's just change the text. So let's come back here. Choose this one. I want to choose the text now instead of edit. Paste it. So let's use brighter your skin. Brighter your skin and have beautiful flawless skin. But the same thing you did in the first one, I want to do it because I want you to, yeah. So now you want to edit this one, you want to give it more color, more text, more boldness and other things. So you click on this one. This is text color, the color of the flow of the text. You can make it black very well. You can increase the font size. You can increase the font size. You can choose any other color you want it to be. But in case of my own, I'll make it center. In case of my own, I think I prefer this black. Yeah. Now the color, the pictures of the products you need to add it, which is very, very important. Let's say this one. Download carrots extract. Yeah. So you need to add a picture. Click on this one again. Add image. You can see image. Click here. Drag it. Click here to reduce its size. Now click here. You can see choose image. Upload. If you have the image on your library before, you can just choose the image. But if you don't have it, just click on upload file and upload file and go to where you saved it, and you can see carrot extract. Click on this one. So you upload it, you insert it. You can see it. You can see the products because it's GG. Because I copied it from GG, so you find your better product to use instead of using this one. Just using this one as an example. Let's change the size. Change the size of the product. Okay, yeah. So you can just save before you continue in case you have a power shortage or anything. So the next thing you need to do is to add. Let's go back to this place. The feature. I don't know the feature of this product. Let's see if you can find it. The product. The feature of this product. Let's go back and add another one. You add this test. I prefer to use test instead because of some things I want to add there. The feature center. Yeah. So now increase the size, body, and background. Let's use the background as red and the color as white. Choose custom. Come here and increase. I hope you get what I'm doing. So please, if you don't get me, just let me know. So that's the features. Now you now need to add the features. It's feature title. You add the features of the products. Click here. You add the text. Okay. And change it the way I said. You can see content read. Yeah. You now go back to the products. You know I told you if it's your own product, you know the features, you know what to write there. But let's see what your body lotion is a product. Okay, YC body lotion is a product for you. It brightens your skin effortlessly and ensure that it's smooth, beautiful, and radiant. It is like okay. Brighten your screen. Let's see what you can do here. See, it brightens your skin. It's brightening your skin effortlessly. You ensure sponge beautiful and radiant. Beautiful. And radiant. Use use free and still brighten the skin perfectly. And just say these are your features. So never is okay. Change this to car. Yeah. You can change the color to be black. I think it's okay. So let's go back to this. Where to use portable air conditioner. Now, this is you go back to the products. It contains a natural ingredient. If it's your own personal product, like I said, or you have a product that has a lot of features, a lot of features you can use. So please use it so that it will explain to people more. You can see this one based on what I'm selling. Now, office can be used in the office, bedroom, living room, kitchen. So if you want to add a picture like this to be like this, I think this one is only one picture. I just designed it. But if you want to add many pictures on the same tab, you just go back here and click on add. You can see this one. If you want to add 3, if you want to add 4, but I'm adding 2. Click on this one. You can see it's 2. The first one is this image, or let's say the first one is image, while the second one is text. You can add image for the 2, and you can add text for 1. Okay, I had image for both. So let's add text for this one. So let's say the first one is image. Let's choose the image to add. Let's say, for example, this is that's to do with Earth. So let's choose this one. Let's choose this. So you can see, let's say you want to write, you have a text to write on. To write here, just copy this one and paste it. Paste it here. Yeah. So let's change the you can see, so that is it. So if you have more picture, if you have more things to add there, please add it very well. That's what will help your customer. You can see I had a lot of information here just to make sure you can see all this one that is scrolling these animations. I will tell you how to do that, don't worry. So the next thing, you can add the details. If you are you are in Nigeria, and to be candid, if you want to make more say, you need to offer payment on delivery. So Nigerian people don't believe on or pay before delivery because they have been scammed. So the best thing for you is to add payment on delivery. So details. So now you can add the price of the product. Let's say this is what I need. This is my own. You copy it. You add another tab. Paste. You add this one. Test. You add test here. Paste this one here. Center. So instead of this one 700, you can change your own to 500, change your own to 5 days, and change your own to 10. So we are running a discount today. Please, plus free delivery plus payment on delivery. Let's say you are getting this product for 3,000 from the seller. If you tell the seller that you are selling, you'll be buying from him or her very well. So he can decide to sell it for you for 3,000 naira, and you are selling it for 10,000 naira plus the delivery, or 12,000. Let's say you are selling for 12,000 naira. You are the one paying for the delivery. You can see. So you'll be making a whole lot of profit, and if it's your own products, you know the price to sell it. So highest you can use to you can spend on delivery is 2,000, 3,000. So this is very important. You can see this is like a call to action. Please read. So it will make them to stop to read what you want to uh, tell them. So let's enter this one and come back here. What is there? Okay. You can change it to whatever you want it to be, but in the case of my own, I make it to be like this, so that I won't be hearing and you order my product and at the end it's not delivered, or you say you are not around. So I want you to read this one very well before you can even place your order at all. So that is it. So you can see I put a lot of information here for people to know. Please, we beg you in the name of God, don't fill this form. If money is not available or you will not be around in 2 to 5 business days, depends on your location. If you are in Lagos, you will get it within 6 to 48 hours. Fill the form below if you will be available in 2 to 5 days, and if the money is available, payment on delivery. So if they won't be available, they can just use your number like the way I wrote my number here. You should see my number here. So they can contact me if they will not be available. So now, the next thing is to put this form here. I will show you how to design this form, but first thing, let me copy the form. There are many forms you can use. There are many form plugins, but I'm using Ninja form. You can see. Let's check the form. I have many forms here. So if you have designed the form, you just copy the link of those forms, any form you want to use. Let's say I want to use this one for infection flusher. Just copy the code here. Come back here to my Elementor. Click on add name. Click on this one. Add test. Add this one. And make it center. The form be center. And click on updates. So let's see what we have designed. Let's check the page. You can see the page. You can see the product page. You can see it. Can you see it? You can see it. Can you see it? So now, you know, if you open this one, you will see something like sliding animations. So if you want to do your own like that, because sometimes it gets people's attention to do it like that. So let's go back to the product. Go back to the first content. So if you want to do this one like this, click here and click advanced, click event animation. You can see choose entrance animation. So choose the one you want. Let's say do this one, fade right, left, and you can choose anyone for this image. For this image, choose animation. You can choose another one. You can choose zoom in or zoom down. Yeah. For this one, yeah, there's something I want to do here. I want to change this one. Yeah. So for this one too, I choose animation and event. entrance animation. You choose bounce in. This is how you will do. You choose different animation. You can see different animation here. You choose the one that fits okay for you. So click on save. So the next thing I want us to add here is this customer care service. So in case many of them will not be available. So if you are using business name, business WhatsApp, you can just get the link of your WhatsApp and let them click on that link. Let's say you have the link of your WhatsApp. Click on add this button. Let's say this is the link of your WhatsApp. Let's say this is the link. You know how to copy the link of your WhatsApp. You find the link on your WhatsApp business only. I think it's only for WhatsApp business. Click on. So you copy the link and paste the link here. And chat us on WhatsApp. So once they click it, it will send message to you directly on WhatsApp. So you can change the color because it's WhatsApp. So I want it to be green too. I want it to be more green. Yeah. So that is it. You can change the size. Change the size. So another thing you can do is to add your details. To add your details, you can add your name, your email, your phone number for them to contact you. So let's say my own, I have my details here. Our customer care is always available. So you add your own like I did here. You can see. Let's go back to this because I want the name to show where you can see it. You can see it. So the last thing we do here today is to add this thing, which is very important if you want to advertise on Facebook. Very, very important. You can see this website has no relationship with Facebook, Google, YouTube, or any other advertisement platform you may have seen our ad on. This website and all of its content belong to lovelikeyou.com. So copyright 2021, Love Like You, all right, to start provide privacy policy. So if you click on it, to take you to privacy policy page. This one to disclaimer and this one to terms. So let's just copy this one and use it because you can use this one on many websites. I've seen people using my own copy and post it on their own website. I don't know if it's my own copy, but I know when I see it, I know my writing, I know what I can write. So you click on this one, you add new text, but before this one, you add new to add a space between it. So let's add a space. You will now increase the space. You want the space of this footer to be far to this one. So let's add this. Let's change the background of this one. Style background. Supposed to be background here. Background, let's be black. And this one black too. You can see the same color. You can see it has it's like that one. So click on update. That is done. You are done with creating a page like this that you can use to sell a lot of products. A lot of products. You can see it. You can see it. So the next thing to do is how to create this form. So how to create this form is the next thing to do. So first thing you need to do is you need to install this Ninja form. The way I showed you the other time, if you don't have it, the way I showed you to install the Elementor, you go to add new, plugin and add new. Click on Ninja form. You can see it's 1 million plus you can see my own name update is there already. Just click on install. If it's not installed, you click on install and activate. So once you have it, you just go to Ninja dashboard. You add new font. Add new font. Let's see how it looks. So you choose a blank font. Choose a blank font. So you click on blank font. Let's design it. Let's close this. So the first thing you need to drag, and see what do we have here. Let's check what we have here. We have the full name, we have address, we have phone number, single line, drag it here. Another single line, we drag it here, which is address. Another single line, we drag it here. I prefer to use this instead of using the normal phone number. What else we have? Please select OK. And then use this select. Then to select. What else do we have? Yes, I'll collect it in 5. I'll collect in 1 to 5 days, which is very important. Tell them to check the box or this single check. So another one is submit button. Yeah, I think we are done. So let's now design it. The first one, what is here? Your full name. You write it here. Your full name. Make it a required one. Your full address. Let's copy this one. Use the one you want. Use one you feel it's okay. For me not to be typing because to save our time. Copy this one and paste it here. So the address, street name, number, postal, town, GA, which is very important for the dispatch rider to know, to identify. Okay, I think it's a new one. This single line. Yes, another single line. Your 2, 4, 7 working phone number. Make it a card too. Please select. So this way, because some people will buy more than one. Select. What do we have here? Please select how many you want. Please select the quantity. The quantity you want. Make it a required one and name the price. 1 for, I told you 12,000, or you can send it any amount. And I say 2 for, so you remove 1,000, 12 times 2, supposed to be 24,000. For 23,000, you are using the same ad to sell 23,000. So 3 times 12, I think will be 36, right? So make it 32 or 32 or 31,000. So if someone buy this one, so they are using only one as friend of Facebook to buy this particular one. So that is good. So single. So you make them. What is here? Be around the 5. So if you are targeting only one series, so you can just put it like 1 to 48 hours. So let them select it. It's very important for them to select it. So submit your order. Click here to submit your order. That is good. So great. Publish. The name of the title of the product. Yeah. Skin form. Say publish. Another thing you want to add, the advanced one. Okay. You want to add redirection. This redirection, I'll tell you how it works. When someone fills this form, it will redirect them to a particular page. Okay, let me quickly fill it and for you to see it. Let me fill it so that you can see what I'm talking about. Allow me fair number 2 dada I'm just filling anything online for you to see where it's leading me to. Let's choose this. Click and submit processing. And see it's taking me to, you can see congratulations, your order is ready. Our customer care support representative will get in touch with you soon and you process your order immediately. So click here to chat us on WhatsApp. So once we click here, it will lead them to your WhatsApp to chat them the way I talked. I mean, you see what I said the other time. So that is it. So now you will get email instantly that someone has just ordered your products. So now let's finish this one. So redirect. So you are redirected then to that particular. You just copy that URL and paste that URL here. That's another page. Paste it here. So now you are done with that. Let's click on here. So the email. So your email, your website email, if you have, it must be info at your email. Like my own, you can see my own, it must be info at lovelikeyou.com. So that is why you get notification. If it's not like that, you won't get notification. You just need to be logging into your website panel to see all the things. So that is everything you need to know about how to create a page, a landing page like that. So it will be easier for you to include the link, the Facebook pixel on your website to track only people who buy your product. You can see this is what you use for this particular one. You can see amount spent on 7,000, amount spent 7,895, and website purchase 90,000. You can see another one, 46,000 plus spend, 500,000 plus the sales generate. You can see another one. You can see 101 plus spend 995 amount generate. You can see that this will help you to sell more products and it will help you to make more sales, more sales. So I believe you have learned a lot today. Let me go back. If you need something like this, you need, based on what I've told you, you need a domain name and hosting. What you must include, yes, I mentioned it. What you must include, which is this, very important. You must include this, which is very important. If you're advertising on any other website, it's very important. So recommendations I will give you is to get the best domain name and hosting. To get the best hosting. And I don't encourage you to buy domain name with extension like domain.ng. Just get, like you can see, Love Like You. And if you don't have much money to spend, you want to be selling different products, get a domain name that has to do with a lot of niches. So like this one, Niger Wet Info, you can see this one can sell a lot of products. So get a domain name, get a best hosting. If you want a best hosting, just get in touch with me and I will recommend, and We can even talk on how you can host it on my beach server, and I will give you big discounts on that. So another things I want to call on for is I can show you the step by step on how to do this thing, how to add Facebook pixel on your website to track the sales, to track the landing page. I will show you how to advertise this same product on Facebook, on Instagram. That will give you more sales, and I will show you how people can upsell. When they come in, they add this product, they buy this product, they'll be able to add another product to their cart to buy more product from you using spending the same money on Facebook ad. So, and I'll give you my detailed Facebook ad course for free. So I'm going to be showing I'm going to be doing this for few people who can message me immediately. You can see few people can message me now that they want the details. They want on how to advertise on Facebook, how to design a landing page that converts well, how to sell more. Even if you don't have anything to sell, just get in touch with me. I will show you how to get cheaper products on many websites in Nigeria and be selling it and be selling and get good profit daily. So if you need my help to set up a website or e-commerce or anything or a page like this for you, just get in touch with me. You can see my number on your screen. You can see my number. Get in touch with me on WhatsApp if you are international. 234 plus this is my number. Get in touch with me and I will be happy to answer your call and to work with you. So thank you. I really appreciate it. Please do something for me. Click the subscription button below to subscribe for my YouTube channel to get more information like this, and click on the bell to get notification immediately I post something interesting like that. I used to post a lot of content that will help people to sell more, that will help people to sell more online. So make sure you follow me on all the social medias on Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and other things. And if you need my help, please get in touch with me immediately. And one thing I want you to do for me is that I'll be sending message to your email every day or 1 or 5 times or 3 times in a week. Make sure you see my name, Naija Wealth Info or Ezekiel Oluwafemi. Make sure you check your email, because I'll be giving you some free information. I'll be giving you some free book, free videos that will help you to grow your business without spending much. So thank you very much. Please kindly share this video to your friends and family for them to get more information, for them to increase their sales online too, like yours. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Love you. Take care. Bye bye.